Want to make your Wix website look more dynamic? Here's how to add an animated number counter in under 90 seconds. Go to your Wix editor and click Add Decorative Numbers or Text. Now choose a text box where your counter will appear, like 10K plus customers or 500 projects. Next, open Develop Developer Mode by toggling it on. Click your text element and assign it an ID, like counter text. Then add this simple code in the page code section. It sets the number to smoothly increase from 0 to your target value when the page loads or when scrolled into view. Adjust the speed, delay, and final value to match your design. You can even combine it with scroll animations to trigger the counter when visitors reach that section. Style it with bold fonts, gradients, or motion effects for more impact. And that's how you add an animated number counter to your Wix site. Quick, clean, and perfect for showcasing growth in 2025.